At least 26 people died after a bus carrying 33 passengers burst into flames on the Samruddhi Mahamarg Expressway in Maharashtra's Buldhana. According to reports, most of the passengers were sleeping at the time of the accident, and only a few people who were awake could escape the fire by breaking out of windows after the bus got into the accident. While the Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde on Saturday ordered a probe into the horrific bus accident, reports suggest that sleep hypnosis could be one of the main concerns that the state government may need to look into. Motorists tend to fall asleep because of long, uninterrupted drives on highways. Sleep hypnosis occurs when motorists are continuously driving for hours without any breaks and because of the monotonous route. The driver, in most cases, zones out. This happens on smooth, empty highways. Despite the eyes being open, the driver may feel as if he or she is sleeping. It is a brief disconnect with the outer world. On Samruddhi Mahamarg, there are no hoardings or billboards on the roadsides or hotels or dhabas. An official explained, adding that even in case of Buldhana bus accident, it is suspected that the driver experienced sleep hypnosis. In April this year, the Maharashtra Highway Police had promised to put flags of yellow and white colors every half an hour long stretch, while reflectors were planned to be put place to catch the motorists' attention and keep the brains busy. According to the latest reports, a total of 39 persons have lost their lives and 143 were injured in accidents on the Mumbai-Nagpur Samruddhi Expressway since its launch in December 2022 till the end of April this year. There were 358 accidents on the Samruddhi corridor between December 12, 2022 and April 30, 2023. These include 24 accidents in which 39 persons were killed, while 143 were injured in 54 accidents, an official said. Across Maharashtra, there were 15,224 deaths in road crashes in 2022. Of these deaths, 57% were of two-wheeler and three-wheeler rides. Pedestrian deaths accounted for 21%. Some 43% of accidents took place on other district roads across the state, the official added. The bus directly hit a pole at a high speed before falling on its right side. The impact of hitting the pole was so severe that the front axle of the vehicle was broken. Sources from the Transport Department said the bus rammed into a road divider on the highway after one of its front tires burst and fell on the diesel tank side. The leakage of fuel and sparks produced due to friction while the bus was getting dragged could have triggered the fire.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.